Biofuel energy works like magic for humankind. Take palm tree fruit as an example. It is renewable and, most important, biodegradable. Nowadays, many countries use it in transportations, heating, and electricities. However, what disadvantage do biofuel energy specific in the plantations of biofuel plants bring? Monoculture, for short. First, it's a practice of growing one crop species or trees in the field at a time, for example, wheat field. It provides farmers with much efficiency in planning, managing, and harvesting. Now, we will use a farmer as an example on learning how bad can monoculture brings to us. This is Farmer Mo, who practiced monocultures. He only planted weeds on the same land, a lot of them. Years over year, however, the land soil wasn't the same year over year. Under the surface of land, there lays plants' roots and many micronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, earthworm, and other insects, of course, and including sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. However, as time goes on, the same crops over and over will cause the soil slowly lose its nutrients with other insects and causes the soil exhaustion. Lastly, it causes the integrity of the soils to compromise. With some insects, rats, snakes, and eagles and other birds. However, as the insect wipes out from the wheat field, it means there will be no range of insect species like bees, beetles, and butterflies in the place to ensure the food chain to keep going. Lastly, it causes the unbalance of a species in the ecosystem as no prey or predator of a species that can ensure the food chain to keep going. When the farmer noticed the weed become much smaller than before, he started to use artificial products like chemical fertilizers. Now, this is where the problems start to get serious, since high use of chemical fertilizer will cause irreversible damage on soil, biodiversity, with heavy environmental pollutions. We need to stop the practice of monoculture when it comes to plantations of biofuel energy. Let's make biofuel energy becomes the true magic and carbon-free. That's all.